Follow me on my journey with this van as I pack it time and time again with my photo booth, bartending, and rental businesses. And so it starts, gig one, loading into my van.
Pro tip, I said it before and I'll say it again. The trick to getting people to opt for your event groceries, so mixes and so forth, is to put ingredients on the mix list that are unobtainable, like simple syrup. They don't know how to make simple syrup, or they don't want to boil sugar and water. So sugar and water boiled together, and that may be $500 worth of groceries.
So here's the gig tonight. It's 2 bartenders, 2 cocktail servers, mixes, travel time gas, martini style glassware, and cocktail glassware. Okay, so here's the cocktail menu for tonight's gig.
Peach Old Fashioned, Royal Flush Cocktail, Strawberry Whiskey Sour, Vanilla Espresso Martini. They're also serving Cosmopolitans, Martinis, Manhattans, all highballs, wine, and beer.
So that's the cocktail list for tonight's event. So this is Ashley here, and we're just on the road for the first gig of the weekend. I've got the van all packed up, so yeah.
Gonna light this bitch up. Do you take these videos and then put them on like a high speed, like? Yeah, I think we are gonna get ready and then go for a bite to eat.
So we're here at the hotel, and yeah, it's just
we'll go together.
chilling out before the gig.
Yep. Perfect. Okay.
The team has arrived, and we are at the restaurant, and we are hungry.
Get in my belly.
Get in my belly. So this is Ashley and Nicole and Chelsea. All right.
So the building's called the Decker Center. It's in North Battleford, Saskatchewan. So it's about an hour and a half away from the biggest city that I live near, which is Saskatoon. So we're just gonna go in the door here.
So just loading all of our glassware into the event. Oh, bad idea to film and do this. Hey, so we're in the space, and everything seems to be pretty much prepared for us. So
Heading in the door of the Decker Center. So they've got it blocked off with some pipe and drape and sanctions.
So right when you get in, it's instantly kind of got a lounge feel to it with a casino theme. So a real ATM, there's card tables. I think that these pot lights are gonna look nice shining up on this card backdrop. Wonder if this would be a popular rental. Not that I have the room for it. But, so check these out. They're actual slot machines. Casino party slots. So those are pretty cool. I saw somebody when they were setting them up, they were either taking tokens out of them or loading tokens into them. So they spit tokens somehow. And then, what's this called? I'm not much of a gambler, a craps table or something. So cocktail tables all over the place. Wish I would have taken the cocktail rental for this event. So, and then you just go into the room here. And this is the room. Some gobo lighting up there. Some desserts and a nice supper spread. And then back over to the bar where the girls are. And these are the 2 beers that we're serving here. And yeah.
Well, everything looks to be under harmony, but I think that Colleen brought all that stuff up, so. Or they should be different materials. But yeah, maybe she's using like two-tone, like he's renting under harmony stuff.
what do we have?
Why is it so tight? That's what she said.
Are we gonna do this all night, ladies?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, is it going to be that kind of night? I'm surprised you think you need to ask. Yeah, there you go, Ash.
Cocktail menu pasted to your bar so that you can familiarize yourself if you forget.
And if it gets wet, it's still good.
There we go. And that is our...
So there's the bar. And the glassware that we brought in. They have a fridge there already. And then it's a casino-themed Christmas party. So that's what it is. Here's the lovely catering staff.
This is what we do in the back, is we just sit here and eat. And this
This is where we're rewashing the glassware tonight. So we were lucky enough that we brought the glassware in, and they seem to be going through glasses quite quickly. So we're gonna wash them, but then we're gonna be able to wash all the glassware and bring it back clean. So bonus.
So we have quite the glass washer here. What brand is it? It's Michael. Oh yeah, and it pulls out right there. Yeah, and it makes the glasses disappear. So.
They don't call.
I'm just in the elevator in the morning. I have yet to wake up the girls, or Ashley anyways, and I'm gonna grab some breakfast, then off on our way to the next gig. Not that you give a care what I'm eating, but breakfast time.
So gig went good. We're just on our way back to Saskatoon, and then we're gonna unload the van. Yep. Reload the van with the next gig, and then head to Swift Current. So it's an hour and a half back, and then 3 hours to Swift Current. So, and then we work Swift Current for 2.5 hours, and then we turn around and then drive back home 3 hours. So, talk about being on tour for the weekend.
We're famous.
Yeah. Taking bookings in 2020. All right.
What is up, guys? Back at my garage, ready to unload the van and then reload the van back up. So I'm just gonna pop her open here. So here's my dry ice, what's left from a full container sitting over 2 nights. And then that's what I'll use to make my molecular cocktails.
So I've got the gear all packed up. You can see it back there. So tonight is bottle flipping, molecular cocktails, 12-foot portable bar, and 5-foot 3-tier illuminated back bar. And we are doing it at a casino for, I think, their staff party. We'll find out. So yeah, I'm just on my way to pick up Ashley, and then we're off to Swift Current. 3 more hour drive.
Here we go again, on the road to Swift Current, off to the actual casino, not the casino night that we did last night. So, yeah, we're probably not as excited as we were in the other videos.
Need more coffee.
Yeah, coffee. I know I
And
said I was
energy
quitting
drinks.
energy drinks, but it's not happening yet, so. Watermelon flavor, sugar-free. Yes, please. All right, good talk.
The guy.
Just kidding. Ashley, everything that the light touches will be yours.
Where's that dark area?
That's Swift Current. You must never go there.
So we just got to the event center.
So this is my bathroom tour for Gorothbalion, as he wants to renovate the bathrooms in his rental space. So we're gonna give him some ideas. So here's the casino bathroom. There we go. You probably want multiple clients to be in at once. So there you are, Gorothbalion. There's your first idea. So this is a plastic table. It's like one of those curved ones. I can't remember if they're called serpentine or something like that. But I was talking with Adam from Tent Guy and other entrepreneur stuff about plastic tables, and he was saying something about rhino tables, and this is like a super strong plastic table called corrugator. So this is a look at it. So yeah, maybe I'll just pull it out and set it up. So I just pulled another one off of here. There's another brand of table, My Midi Light, the leader in lightweight durability. So this one seems to be a strong table too. Just gonna put it. So yeah, so that's that table, and then corrugator. So yeah,
Casino staff party, so some food trays, a stage, some tables, and then you'll see right here is just a pile of our stuff right now, and we're gonna set it up. So I'm gonna start a time lapse. So this is my 5-foot portable illuminated back bar. It comes in separate tiers, so this is just 3 tiers. I have 4 tiers available, and I can go 16 colors. It's got this little remote that can just switch everything to different colors. So I don't know why it's pulsating on the video. It's not pulsating with my human eyes. But let's see, this is pink, looks more white on the video. Then red, so different modes. Yeah, so that's it. That's the portable illuminated back bar. It's a good rental upsell when offering bartending. So here is 12-foot bar setup with portable illuminated back bar. Yeah, so yeah, we're all set up for tonight, basically. We just have to get dressed and rock out, so.
Yeah, we clean up pretty good, so time for yet another meal.
Hustling.
You know, it's a hard life on the road, dressing up fancy and going for nice meals and working events that last 2.5 hours.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, it's a hard
So
life.
here's another edition of Food by Lee that I didn't make, that we just ordered. Casino Life. Casino Life. Yeah, so we have wings and bannock tacos. So yeah, good stuff.
That's fine.
Looks like Halloween.
Yeah, well, it's poisonous, so I wouldn't
Yeah.
smell it. Just kidding. So pick your favorite color here. I'm judging on your choice. Excellent choice. Very festive.
Thank you.
You're good in my book. Thank you so much. So when I was young, I used to play with Lego. Now I play Martini Lego. Or as Ashley calls it, Martini Roulette. How is the drink, Ashley?
Delicious.
Nice finger. Cocktails are awesome.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Is it just nice?
Yeah, that's just. So gig's all done. We're on our way home. Slushy.
Past a bad accident.
Yeah, past a bad accident. We were driving about 60 kilometers for a good 25-30 minutes, but now we're en route on our way home. Well, I guess we were before it.
Clear sailing. Clear sailing.
Clear sailing home. Peace. What's up, guys? So the weekend is all done. I am just driving home. I just dropped Ashley off. It's 11:36 p.m. Made almost $5,000 this weekend with 2 out-of-town bartending gigs, 4 photo booths, and 30 chairs being rented out. My payments into that were somewhere around $1,500, so the rest goes to profits. Yeah, I'm very happy with how the weekend went. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be pumping out more content all the time, so I'm going to take you with me on all the gigs through this whole Christmas season, and yeah, so just make sure and follow my journey. All right, like this video and subscribe. Have a good one.